beautiful people, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Just in case it's the first time you're karibu sana. Today's video is a different one. We'll be checking on dairy and cattle farming, as you can see from where I am. So let's dive into the video. Please like, share, comment, and remember to subscribe. Thank you. So this is one of the cows that we have. Michael son, there you go. It has a name, yeah, and it just gave birth like maybe a month ago, and that is how it looks. And this is the setup from where that I'm standing at. You can see another cow there. Those are two. You have another cow over there. Hi, Spark. Hi. So this is another cow. Another one over there. Spark. Freshian. Zile mingi ni Freshian. This is where the cows have their water from. Stone. Hi. Hey. That is another one. Sija capture hii. Mira. That is another one. We have one over there. White. Over there. Okay, now proceed. Hii tulikuwa tushaiona. We have okay. Favor. We have one over there. We also have another one over there. Melala. Buji. Hi. Yeah. Buji. So this is the setup that you have from this side.
Go ahead. Into the pool.
Yes, my cousin pedigree. Jen. Daltes. Bagia. Daltes.
Oh.
Deltas. Yeah. Winner. Yes, easy. Bright. Royal. Yes, top 10. Hey, winner. Yeah, winner. Royal. Top 10. Yeah, we also have some chicks over there. There we go. Peleka maziwa, vapor. Boom. Yes. Moza. Smart. Hi. Alaska. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 on this side. Using eternal. 15. Get enough. 15. 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, okay. 26, and this other side 27, 28, 29, 30.